How to save files into PDF format. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to save files into PDF format from various sources using BitRecover Save2 PDF Wizard tool. To install the BitRecover Save2 PDF Converter Wizard tool, download it from the link in the video description. This represents the interface of the BitRecover Save2 PDF Converter Wizard tool. To begin, click on the Next button. This tool enables the user to select numerous file types such as EML, MSG, doc, PPT, CSV, etc., and later convert them into PDF file format. The user can choose either one of the options available. Click Select File option to select files individually, or click Select Folder option to select multiple folders at once. Select the folder or folders containing the files you wish to convert, and click on the Select Folder option below. This bar displays the path of the selected folder. Click on Next. Select the folder you want to convert using the checkbox next to it. Click on Next. Convert Attachments as PDF option will allow you to convert all attachments as PDF document pages. Black-white mode option will create non-searchable PDF file in black-white mode. File naming option allows the user to name the file accordingly. Please note that all these saving options are only applicable for .msg or .eml files. Click on Settings button to view advanced settings for .msg or .eml files. Exclude meta-headers option allows the user to exclude meta-headers such as from, to, cc, bcc, subject and date. Page setting options allows you to select the size of the page. Advanced mode option allows you to import any tabular data within email body into PDF format. Print document option is useful if you want to print the PDF. It will adjust the page size accordingly. Save attachments option will create a separate folder for attachments. Again, select the saving option. Destination part allows us to specify the destination for exporting the selected file. Save converted documents in same source folder option will save the files in the same location from where user selected the files. To select the destination path of the folder to be saved, click on the folder button icon and select the preferred folder. Click on Make New Folder or click on OK. After selecting the destination path, it's time for conversion process. Simply click on Convert button and conversion process will start. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification box indicating that the conversion process was successful. Click on OK. The trail version of the BitRecover Save2 PDF Wizard tool will only convert 25 files and will contain watermarks. In order to remove restrictions and watermarks, user will have to purchase the license. Click on OK to open the destination folder to access newly converted files. You have successfully converted PDF files using BitRecover Save2 PDF Wizard tool. Thank you for watching.